Hey, this is Tim with What Could Go Wrong. Been kind of busy here lately with work. Been working out of town, been sick. I haven't been able to post all the videos of Cloudland Canyon, but this is us, the journey to Hemlock Falls. Figure post this, let y'all watch it. I'm just gonna do an intro on it and let y'all just listen to conversation and all the noises with it, water and everything. But Hemlock Falls, Cloudland Canyon, it's a very beautiful place. But y'all enjoy, and like always, keep your head on a swivel, and I'll see you on the next one.
Oh, that's beautiful. Huh? Oh, we ain't made it yet, baby. We're going there. Boy, I'm so glad I have boys with me this time. You gotta go sit on it. Be careful. Oh, that's better. I tell you what, y'all, Cloudland Canyon's beautiful. I'm filming me, filming you. I want you to see what I see. Breathtaking. Tell you what, it's quite amazing over here, but it's loud. It's impressive. Until next time, keep your head on the floor, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh shit.
This might be an easier time back. Yeah, the way I went, I saw someone, I saw someone water bottle.
Yeah.
So I saw the path. But it's very tight.
Come on! Come here! Let's get a picture.
Oh, we made it.
Y'all stay on one side. I thought you were doing a heart. All right, you damn faggot.
Oh, there's a way back from there.
Yep. Woohoo!
Hey, we gotta record this.
Oh, I am. Hey, it's still going, baby. Alright, update. We behind the waterfall. What? But I'm going to try to get down a little bit lower. No. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful. Shit.
No, the path I went was safe, but like, they got snakes.
It's too dangerous, baby.
We got out there. Mr. Tim, I was heading back. The fast I came. I looked to the side and there's just a snake right next to me.
Huh.
Alright, so everybody is starving and the kids are exhausted.
Yeah.
And they have to pee.
And they all have to pee.
Harmony, Karina, Melody.
What's this?
These are waterfalls that got the rocks that got polished by the waterfalls.
Ooh.
Here,
Cool.
Karina.
Perfect for my rock collection. My broccoli. Smell like rock. Not rock. Smells like water. From the waterfall. Obviously. No, there's still all the rocks. I only have one rock.
Hi.
Open that.
Small.
Over there.
Thank you. Get the water ball. That's all I need, honey. Thank you.
That means our trail is going to be fucking
A whole
slick.
lot more slippery.
Oh my god.
Hey, wait.
I'm gonna come over here.
Alright, y'all. It's starting to rain, so I'm about to put the camera up. But that is our expedition of Crowley Canyon. We got a lot of steps to go. So, like always, keep your head on the swivel. And I'll see y'all in the next one.